Most lean transformations do not fail because lean itself does not work. They fail because organizations misunderstand what lean actually is. Many companies treat lean like a toolbox. They run a few workshops, add some visual boards, rearrange the warehouse, maybe run a 5S event, then expect massive long-term transformation automatically. But lean is not a one-time project. It is a management system and a cultural shift. Another major reason lean transformations fail is leadership behavior. Leaders often demand improvement while continuing to reward firefighting, short-term thinking, and constant urgency. Employees quickly realize the organization wants lean language without changing how decisions are actually made. Many businesses also focus too heavily on tools instead of problem solving. They implement templates, dashboards, and process maps without teaching teams how to identify waste or improve systems consistently. Some transformations fail because there is no clear strategy. Too many disconnected improvement projects start at the same time. Teams become overwhelmed, momentum disappears, and improvement becomes extra work instead of part of daily operations. Perhaps the biggest reason lean fails is this: processes improve temporarily, but behaviors never change. Without daily reinforcement, standard work, leadership coaching, and continuous improvement habits, organizations slowly drift back into old ways of working. The companies that succeed with lean are usually not the ones running the most workshops. They are the ones building a culture where improvement becomes normal behavior every single day. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. Simplicity Hub, making things simple.